Dr. Adamczyk, I'm curious to hear if you can speak to the role that congregations can have in the raising of young people. How can those of us who function as mentors and cheerleaders for youth be attentive to what is possible and what might not be possible?
Yeah, so I think there's some good news there. Some of Chris Smith's previous research mentioned this, and we certainly saw it in our own work, which is that a lot of young people today are very interested in being part of a congregation. There's a lot that they like about them, and they don't like everything. You're definitely going to have young people who don't want to engage, but there seemed to be a lot of interest. And so I think church leaders and mentors can build on that at least initial interest and try to keep it moving as things go forward. So what might that entail? I mean, one thing is and I think most congregation leaders know this, but make it fun, have those activities, those engagements, do things that are really exciting for the young people that are very much oriented towards them. Young people want to date, they want to flirt, they want to be with other cool boys and girls around their same age. So developing those communities and making sure that it's available, and when it's not available, maybe connecting with other organizations that share the same values. In the interview, we talked a little bit about a Muslim dad who was, excuse me, he wasn't a Muslim dad, he was a Mormon dad. And he was saying how frustrated he was with his congregation because there were no kids for his son to date. And he just thought, well, he's not going to be interested in this. I mean, this is very much on young people's minds. They want to date, they want to go out and do cool things. So he was joking around us and said, maybe we should go to the local Muslim congregation because at least they share the same values. And in other words, we need to find young people for these kids to hang around with. So I think that's part of it, making it engaging. Like I say, they want to be a part of it to some extent. So just building off of that momentum to keep it cool and interesting and fun.